How to change text color in Microsoft Word. And okay guys, here in your Microsoft, so if you want to change this color, first is highlight the text you want to change the color. So for my example, I highlight this Richard Kabili name. After you highlight, you can see here the font color here. So beside of this, you can see the arrow down. So you can click this and now you can see the option of color. So for my example, I change into yellow. And that's it, we have successfully changed the color. And also you can use the home page. So highlight the text and go to home page. Here in home page, you can see the font color here. And beside of this, you can see the arrow down. You can click this and now you can see the option of color. So for my example, I changed into blue. And if you want more color, you'll have to do is highlight the text again and go to home page. And beside of font color, you can see the arrow down. Click this and below of this pop-up, you can see here the more color. You can click this and now you can see here the custom color here. So if you want to change the color, you can slide to the left or right to find the color you want. So for my example, this color, and after you select the color, click OK, and that's it. We have successfully changed text color in Microsoft Word.